In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Dhgate account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting an account is permanent. You'll lose access to your purchase history, messages, coupons, and saved details. If you need receipts or order information for your records, download those first. Also, if you have any pending orders, disputes, or refunds in progress, resolve them ahead of time, since deletion may be blocked until everything is settled. Start by opening your web browser and going to dhgate.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to remove. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner for the profile icon. It usually looks like a small avatar and opens a drop-down menu when you click it. From that menu, select My DHgate. This takes you to your personal dashboard, which is where you can manage purchases, settings, and other account details. On the dashboard, focus your attention on the left-hand side. Scroll all the way down toward the bottom of that left sidebar. You're looking for the section labeled Account Settings. When you see that, click the option that says More. This opens the full list of account-related controls that aren't shown in the basic view. Inside the expanded settings, look for Delete Account and click it. At this stage, DHgate typically shows a confirmation screen explaining what will happen if you proceed, such as permanent removal of your account and possible limitations if there are unresolved transactions. This page is there to ensure you understand the consequences and, in many cases, to prevent accidental deletions. If you don't immediately see the delete account option, try expanding any additional settings links in that area, or switch to a desktop browser if you're on mobile, since some options display more clearly on larger screens. Changing the site language to English or the region to your primary market can also make labels easier to recognize. And if the site appears stuck, a quick refresh or signing out and back in can help the settings load properly. To recap, go to dhgate.com, open the profile drop-down, choose My DHgate, scroll to the bottom left of the sidebar, click More under Account Settings, and then click Delete Account. Take a moment to review any on-screen notices so you know exactly what you're confirming. That's all you need to reach the deletion option quickly and confidently.